Hi everybody, I'm here today with a video to show you how I store and keep my stickers. These are durable view binders. They are 1 inch in width. At the moment, this is what I'm able to find at my local Walmart. And this is only 3 of the numerous ones that I have. These are some of the titles that I've used, and they may change in the future, but for now this is what's working for me. I used my silhouette machine to cut strips of background paper that basically, this is glitter paper that I enlarged from a sheet that I bought and a digital kit. And it's just a glitter header, honestly, that I enlarged. And then I print in black. I like that the best from what I tried. Freshca is the name of the font. I'll list it below because I know some of y'all might want to know that. But these are the just 3 that I've pulled of numerous ones that I have done. I'm going to show you how I set it up though. That's how I label it though. Let me show you how I set them up. I'm going to set these aside. And I'm going to show you like from start to finish basically. And it's really simple. I use this binder. Here's the information. I want to turn it up here so that you can see. Hopefully that will be not blurry. I'll put it back down here. If you need to pause it and take a screenshot or something, go ahead. And then I'll show it to you. All I do is I peel the sticker off the side, and I put what I'm putting on the inside from my sheet. This is going to be extra kit pages. And to line it up, I started with one that I had centered. So this one is centered on the page. Now what I want to do is to keep all of my binders even at the bottom right here. So how I'm going to actually put this sticker on is lined up with the right hand side, which is the bottom of the binder. Eyeball it, and it's easier if you lay it down on your desk. I'm going to just try to eyeball it here. And just stick it down. So that's my extra kit pages now. Let me show that to you. Inside of it, I use clear, let me pull the package. I use clear, I hope these are the right ones. Yeah. Mini sheet protectors. There's 15 to a pack. Again, these are from Walmart, my local Walmart store. There's the information on it. I buy them, I buy extras, let me put it that way, so that I will always have enough to fill any binder I want to fill with as many as I want to put in it. I am finding that my 1 inch width here does not hold a ton, but that's okay because that was my whole idea. I wanted to be able to go to more books and divide up my stickers better. I'm going to pull this out. This is a pocket on the front with a clear top. And I don't keep those unless you wanted to maybe put a sheet in here listing everything you had inside, or maybe you want to title it on the front. Then you could do something like that. Okay, these clear sheet protectors are what I hold all of my sticker kits in. These are used kits. And all I do is put a used kit, for this example, in each of these holders and stick them in. That's easy, simple. And I have 2 shelves here on my side that I can store everything in. This is my flags, banners, and notes is what I call them. I'm not showing you all of my stickers, but just so you'll get an idea. These are some foiled overlays that I have made so that I can use them on some of the sticker sheets that I've made. Flags, and these are notes, so that's just what I call a note. So I'm trying to categorize my stickers. More flags here. I call those flags. I don't know if that's what they are or not, but this is just kind of how I do it. My headers, I have my printed headers out. Anything that's printed that's a header by itself, I'm going to put in this notebook. Things that I print from digital shops, that's what most of these are. Some of them are freebies, but they're still from a digital shop. Some I've made myself, just kind of trying this and that. A lot of these I have just printed from shops with my, and then cut with my silhouette machine. So that's what these are. I know when I lean over to my side to grab a notebook, if I need headers, I can probably find any color I want in this particular notebook. And to go along with that, I also have date covers the same way. My date covers include the date dots or the squares that you use. And I just put everything that I have that's by itself or intended to be used with a kit, even if it does not match a kit, because those I like to keep together. But I put everything that I've printed off in here, and I really do try, if the company does not happen to put their name on the printout, I will try to remember, try being the operative word, to stick it on the back like this one, so that I'll know where they came from and I can reprint them if I need to. So I just did this one, just got the pinks. She just came out with a pink set. This is from BeAYoutiful Planning. She just came out with a ton of pinks and then fall colors too. So I was really excited to get to add the pinks to my collection. And let me show you one other. I don't know if I'm gonna stop with one other, but let me show you how I do my foiled sets. I've recently decided to change my foiled in silver and hollow to just foiled in silver. So I'll probably get a piece of this paper and just cover that up, because I have found out that my silver is taking up a whole lot of room. I need to get these hollows out of here and start another book just for them, which is why I wanted only a 1-inch binder to use. I don't want too much in one binder. So all of this stuff that I've made personally using my own stuff that I've either bought, found, just made up myself, I want in here. And then I have decided I'm even going to break it down a little bit more. I don't prefer every time I go to do a plan with me or to just work on a spread for 1 week, and I need silver to go through this book and get one of those, you know what I mean, one of these. So what I did was I pulled one of everything. And these are the foiled stickers I pulled so that I can go right ahead and pull the whole envelope out. If I'm using all gold foil, every single sticker I had in those others, I don't have to shop for them, they're already there, all in this one envelope. Rose gold, this is just the order I happen to have them in. The silvers, holographic, these are the dotted ones, these are the cracked glass or something like that. Then I do the dark purple. I have light purple, but I don't have but a couple of those pages, so I didn't even pull those out. I have light pink, dark pink, and blue. And as I use up a sheet or have need of another one, I can just go shop in the others. And as I make stickers and am foiling, I look and see what I'm in need of, and while I'm foiling, I make extra of what I might need. Like, I know I'm almost out of silver foil headers, so I can go make a sheet of silver foil headers and add it to my stash over there. So anyway, this is just kind of how I work. This one I pull out very frequently, and I can also throw my whole batch of stickers in one little keeper here, one little envelope, and throw it in one 3-ring binder, and it's done. So helps with my cleanup. Also, I have a set on a different shelf of titled or shops that I use a whole lot. These are my printable kits. This one's BeAYoutiful Planning, and all of her kits that I print out, I almost always print 2 copies when I'm printing and cutting, because it's already there. It's already set up to print. It's already set up to to cut. So I usually make 2 copies. And if I have leftovers after using it, I'll put it behind the new kit, unused kit, so that I'll have those extra stickers all together. And then once I use everything up, yes, there's another binder over there for already used kits. So those are, they're getting full, quite full. So this is just kind of how I do it. I just kind of keep everything, you know, all together until they're all used up. Then they go in another folder, binder. And that's my system. That's how I do it. Just all these binders, lots and lots of them. I'll show them to you. I'll show them to you on the shelf. That's what I'll do. Okay, here is the shelving unit that I use to store my sticker kits. These are the binders. All of my stickers are in these I say all, you know what I mean. Most of my stickers are in these binders. These are, for the most part, in alphabetical order. I don't always hold to that, but on the upper shelf, these are the ones I have printed out myself. The first 6, 7, 8, 9, the first 9 I've printed myself. Then the bought kits and the second one, which I don't have a label on yet, are all bought kits, those 2. And then everything to the right of that is foiled in the binders. The big pink envelope on the far right hand side is full of kits that were printed that you can't cut in half. So they're all in, you know, stored in that, so I can still reach them. Here on the second shelf, I have my kits that I have bought from Etsy stores, and I also have my Simply Gilded quote cards and bow stickers. The one there in the center sorta is by Planner Choco, and I just now started printing her kits out and will be labeling that very shortly. I also have a whole lot of full sheets that I keep in this far right hand side on this shelf of foiled things that I've made, lots of extra sticker kits and such that I can pull out if I really need to. But anyway, this is basically my sticker storage, and in my messy room, so I can't show you much else because I have really been busy. But I wanted to show you how I stored my stickers, and I hope y'all enjoyed watching this and got a few ideas for your own storage. Thank you so much for watching. Y'all have a wonderful week. Bye-bye.